Hello and welcome back. My name is Andrea. I am the Buckeye Stitcher. I have made the decision. I am going to be doing, at this point, weekly Flosstube updates. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, so this is the first update of the channel. Didn't get too much done this week with my dog and everything, with the surgery and all that fun stuff. Didn't really get much of a chance to stitch, but I did get some stuff done. So this is from August 18th to August 24th. So I was only able to use Pattern Keeper for one pattern, unfortunately. The other two are paper patterns. So I did 232 stitches on spring. There. Okay. So I'm trying to remember. It might just be this whole section right here. That might be the 232, because I think I did this whole top section without you guys. So I think it's this. But I really, really love how this is turning out. This is turning out so much better than the first time. So glad I restarted it. So that's what I did on Pattern Keeper. And then on my dragon, the Yin Yang Dragon printed cross stitch, I finished three, believe it, well, I mean, and they were little colors, but I finished actually three colors of this. So I finished, let's see, I finished all this blue down here. I finished, there's some purple over here. Yeah, and up here. So I finished a great deal of it, actually. I mean, it's a few, undoubtedly it's a few hundred stitches, but it's coming out really good. So the next symbol I'm going to be working on is this green and white symbol, the white symbol with the green lines in it, and looks like they're like mostly down in this corner. Where'd it go? Yep, there we go. So I'm going to be doing that. That is color number 1. And color number 1 is this really, really pretty red color, like crimson color. So I'm really excited to start on that. I wish I knew how many stitches I did, but yeah, there's no way I can know because it's a paper pattern. And then I think there's two videos. I think there's 2 videos of, so sorry, I took my meds and I'm getting tired. I think there's 2 videos of me prepping the beaded cross stitch, the dachshund one. So here's what this looks like. I did turn it around because I started too low, or too high, I should say. So I'm going to start down here where I have more room to actually, go all the way across. And then I will probably have to move this up, but it is what it is. So, but I'm really, really excited to start this one. Probably going to start that one this week. And then I realized that next year is my brother and sister-in-law's 10-year anniversary. So I have been searching for the past like almost week for a pattern, and I found I like the one I found. So I'll put a picture up here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to stitch it on this beautiful purple Ada. This is 16 count. I got this when I bought my Lowry stand. They actually included this with the Lowry stand. I bought a purple Lowry stand, so they sent me a purple Ada. So, and I wasn't sure what to do with it, but I'm very excited. I'm very excited. I think it's going to turn out really, really well. So that's about it. Honestly, it was a really light week. Next week will probably be another light week. I am currently in a home study course that I'm trying to finish. I have until October 31st. And then of course after that I need to find a job. Well, find a job in that field. So, but that is about it. So coming up on the channel this week, I'm going to try and do more spring. I'm going to try and start the beaded cross stitch. And I might do more dragons. I don't know. We'll find out. But yeah, that's about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Please hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more content. And I will see you in the next one. Happy stitching!